So we're going to start with your technique page, which you've got, and I'm going to look at the next two. So for the slur is pairs of notes with a slur linking each one, and usually the way to play it, as I think is marked on the music, is you join the notes up, but the second note is always a little bit shorter and a little bit quieter as well, okay? Now what's happening here is you're repeating that E but changing the finger from a 3 to a 2. Then the next bar starts on A with the 5 to F. Now this time the F changes the finger from the 3 to the 4. Okay, so you have quite a lot of fingering to work out there, and it's just switching fingers. The idea then is that you switch on the last note back to the thumb, and you're repeating that same 2-bar pattern but along one note on the piano, and then you repeat the same pattern again along one note on the piano, and so on until you get to the finishing section, which starts on the B. So you're going along on C, D, E, F, G, A, and then B is the last section. So I'll go through all of that in the right hand. So it's thumb to 3, then 2 to 4, 5, 3, change to 4 to 2. Now I'm starting that pattern again with my thumb, but on D this time. Thumb, 3, switch to 2, go up one note, 5, 3, switch to 4, 2 on E. Now I'm swapping that to the thumb to start again, but on E this time. So it's thumb, 3, switch to 2, next door 5, 3, switch to 4. Now I'm coming to F this time, so I've done C, D, E, now I'm on F. Switch to the thumb and repeat the pattern again. Thumb, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, switch to 4. Now I'm on G. Start with the thumb, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4. Now I'm on A. Start with the thumb on A, 3, switch to 2, go to the 5, switch to the 4. Now I'm on to B, so now I can look at the last section on the music, which is almost the same. Just switch to the thumb to finish on the last note, which is C. Okay, I would do one line at a time. Okay, it gives you the left hand version of the fingering here. So ascending is the first line. So I'm going to do it in the left hand, and I'm going to start one octave away, and I'm going to follow this fingering here. Same notes exactly, but an octave lower, but the fingering will be different. So it's 5, 3, switch to 4. Just play the thumb where it is. 3, switch to 2, and finish on D. Now switch to 5 on D, so I'm starting all over again, but on D. Switch to 4, then play the thumb, switch to the 2. Now I'm coming to E, so I'm going to start again on my 5th finger on E, switch to 4, thumb, 3, switch to 2. Now I'm on F with my 5th finger starting, 4, 2, thumb, 3, switch to 2. Now to G, switch to 5 to start again, switch to 4, switch to 2. Now the A, switch to 5 on the A, switch to 4, thumb, 3, 2. Now I'm going into the last section now, so I'm going to follow the B at the end. 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, and just finish on the 5. So I would do just that one line to start with. Okay, then we'll do the second line, which is the descending section. So I'm going to do the right hand first. So that is high G, sometimes I call it. So that's how far away it is from middle C. So this time it's 5, 3, switch to 4. Thumb goes to next door, 3 switches to 2. Now I'm starting that again with my 5 on F this time, 3, switch to 4, go to the thumb, switch to 2, now the E, start again with a 5 on the E, switch to 4, thumb, 3, switch to 2, now I'm going to the D now, 5, 3, switch to 4, thumb, 3, switch to 2, now I'm starting on the C, 4, 2, thumb, 3, 2, 4, now switch to B, 4, 2, thumb, 3, 2, 4, now on A, 3, 4, 2, thumb, 3, 2, 4, now I'm on the last section where the G is, so I've hit G, so I follow the ending, which is 4, 2, and finish on the thumb on middle C. So as I started there with the right hand, I'm going to start here with the left hand, and I'm following the fingering printed there. So it's thumb, 3, switch to 2, go next door to the 5, switch to the 4, now I'm on F, so I'm starting on F with my 2, then 4, 5, 3, switch to 4, now the E, so I start with the E, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, now the D, start with the D on the thumb, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, now the C, switch to the thumb again, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, now on the B, thumb, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, switch to 4, now the A, thumb, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, now on the G, so I'm following the last bit, thumb, 3, 2, 4, and finish on the 5, I would. Okay, so I think maybe I won't do the next one just at the moment, because that's quite a lot of concentrating, needing to work that out. If you find it a bit too difficult to follow the pattern, I'm quite happy to write it out in full for you. It won't take me long. So if you need that, then just send me a message and I can do that and send that to you. That might be easier. But see how you get on with that.